So when I was a student, I worked as a waiter in various hotels here in Jerusalem and was shocked by the way they disposed of their perfectly fine, untouched buffet food. They literally took the food from the buffet and threw it directly into the garbage. I always felt that it was such a shame. And after doing some research, we found some shocking numbers. So about a third of the world food is wasted. And out of that, 38% of that comes from food services and retail sector. And 80% of the businesses that we spoke to said they would like to donate their surplus, but struggle due to fear of liabilities, lack of accessibility, and being unaware of legal incentives. On the charity side, we went over the financial reports of hundreds of nonprofits and found that almost 40% of charities are actually buying all the food that they distribute to the people in need. So to address this gap, we created Foodchain, a platform that connects businesses and nonprofits to facilitate and monetize the exchange of surplus food while producing documentation that minimizes liability, qualifies donors for tax credits, and for fluency, we refer to businesses and charities as givers and getters. So how does Foodchain work? Upon sign up, a series of questions will help map the availability and requirements of givers and getters. Users will be able to find each other by location and availability of food. And once pickup is confirmed, donations are evaluated, documented to qualify donors for tax credits. Throughout this process, of course, data will be collected and used to identify trends, improve matching and valuation. Our value proposition includes huge savings for both givers and getters, while the ability to demonstrate solidarity in a transparent way that makes significant social, economical, and environmental impact. So a triple win situation. So our revenue model is basically givers and getters can use the basic version for free, or they can upgrade to a pay-as-you-go model to utilize our monetization and automation features. This will come at a cost of 10% of the donation value. This will save around 90%, up to 90% of the food expenses for charities, and up to 25% of the value of food that would otherwise go to waste for businesses. So during beta testing, we'll leverage strategic partnerships here in Jerusalem and in Israel to get around 300 users. In 23, we'll launch our pro version while continuing to expand our user base. In 24, we'll assign ambassadors in international markets, starting in the US, and eventually we'll look to partner and integrate with other management API platforms. So our competitors range from nonprofits who offer large-scale solutions but lack the convenience of local, real-time, small-scale interactions, and for-profits like Too Good To Go and Karma, which sell short expiry goods. These provide only a partial solution to leftovers. This is the team. My partner is Ditsa, who comes from a digital B2B marketing background. I come from a business and finance background, and underneath are some of the organizations that support this along the way, whether financially or by mentorship. We're currently looking to raise around $300,000 to find some developers to build the platform and for a CTO. We're happy to answer any questions, and thank you so much for your time.
Which country are you working in? Here in Switzerland, we have organizations that do it for free. So physically, I mean, they have arrangements with the big distribution chains and do that for free. So it's really a country by country approach that you will have to do. Huh?
Yes, we're based in Israel right now, and we're thinking of expanding to the US initially. Now it is our platform is basically for free. It's a freemium model, so only when they want to use the automation and monetization features, they will actually pay. But the reason is that we're utilizing the taxation system within the country to help incentivize, businesses to donate food. So we will essentially automate the entire documentation process for businesses to receive tax returns for any donation that they donate.
In countries where donations are
are valued like exactly tax deductible.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, have a great day. Thank you.
And a quick one from my end: how do you work with supply and demand? Because some of those apps basically struggle. You look up, there's just like an oversupply, but on the other side, it's tricky then to find a balance here. Do you start with focusing first of all, I don't know, local ecosystem, let's say Jerusalem, and try to figure it out that you have enough volume, or how do you deal with that setup?
Yeah, initially, yes, we'll focus locally on places that are closer to each other. Time is of the essence in such situations. And we'll initially, through our matching process, we'll filter through which best places are suited to donate each other. And based on that, we'll move forwards. After that, we'll partner with logistics providers to help, integrate everything together in a much more efficient way. But this is our initial steps for now.